This is the real life of a lower-class worker in Japan. She earns $4,000 a month, but can't even afford to rent a house. In heavy snow, she has to sleep in her car and shiver from the cold. At 6:30 p.m., 27-year-old Nanako just finished work. She is now driving around looking for a place to spend the night. To save money, she buys some near-expiration food to eat for breakfast. Once back in her car, Nanako continues her journey. She has a clear destination in mind. First, the place must have free parking, and second, there must be a public restroom nearby. After parking, Nanako can prepare dinner. Due to the limited space in the car, she usually eats simple food. While waiting for her food to cook, Nanako, tired after a long day, enjoys a hot cup of tea to warm her body. Nanako works as an office worker in Tokyo. Her average monthly salary is $4,000. While that sounds decent, it's still below the average standard.